Welcome to Archie and Friends. I'm a host, Archie. Welcome, my friend, Corey.
Hello there.
Corey, you honest, right?
Yeah, that's right.
How you do it?
Corey makes paintings on a variety of canvases using his beloved toy cars as paintbrushes.
I love cars, I insist.
Yes.
I love this so much.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, Corey.
What are you doing, Archie?
I like to hang out.
You're strong, man.
Yes, I am.
Yes. What are you going to do?
Today, we are praying.
Surprise basket!
Here's what you need. A box that looks like this, with a hole in the top, a bunch of surprise items, and a spray bottle filled with water.
I did you play.
Here's how you play. Each player puts their hand in the box and tries to guess what's in there. And if you get it wrong, you get a surprise.
It's time to play.
Surprise! The basket? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh. Pizza salad.
The answer was lettuce.
Oh!
Can I spray it?
No.
It's grapes.
The answer was peeled grapes.
Yeah, Amy.
Yep, I was where it was grapes.
What is it?
What is it? But I want you to do this.
He gets really scared easily.
I'm not scared. Is it dead? Sorry. Is it a dead raccoon? Stop, Amy.
That's not me.
Johnny, stop it. A river?
The answer was a wig.
Stop. That's right.
The cards? Hey!
That's so cool.
That mate. Wow.
The answer was a mouse.
Oh, hey, mouse. Is it slime?
The answer was slime.
Good, that's Johnny.
Where's a rent? Is it what's a pickle?
The answer was a pickle.
Good.
Oh. Salad? Hey! Hey, that's management. Yes! Oh, Jay!
The answer was a loofah covered in tough nut soap.
That's brilliant.
No. Let's pause for the commercial.
Have you had a long day painting in the studio?
Whoops.
Are you covered in slime? Do you have spaghetti all over your hands? Did you accidentally spill too much pickle juice? Then we have the product for you.
Does not.
Apply Tough Nut, rinse, and repeat.
Ooh.
Carry on.
Does not. Welcome back.
God, fuck. Hey! Archie, are you kidding?
Sorry, Amy.
The answer was ping pong balls.
No, I can't do it. Come on. Okay. It's pasta, right?
The answer was spaghetti.
I knew it is pasta.
Produce!
You. It's a dog.
More! Wait. That is a green dog.
The answer was a green dog.
Correct. Yeah! Thank you, Amy.
Gooey slime. Hey! It's a snake.
The answer was a snake.
Yeah, that's right.
You like stingray.
That's a point.
Surprise!
It's time to ask a question on your friends.
Hi, Chloe. I'm Oliver. And I'm Miles. We're from Randolph, New Jersey. We were wondering what's your favorite color paper?
And what?
That's good, Chloe. Oh, yeah.
Archie and Friends. Archie and Friends. Archie and Friends.
Quiet!
No!
No!
My turn.